Understanding over-easy eggs, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic in the English language, over-easy eggs. This phrase is not only a common term in cooking but also a great example of English's descriptive nature. Let's crack open the meaning together. Over-easy refers to a way of cooking a fried egg. The egg is first fried on one side, and then flipped over to briefly cook on the other side. The key here is that the yolk remains runny, making it a popular choice for many egg lovers. It's the cooking method that defines over-easy, not the egg itself. Let's dissect the term over-easy. The word over in this context means to flip something. When we say easy, it suggests cooking the egg just enough to slightly solidify the whites while keeping the yolk soft and runny. This phrase beautifully demonstrates how English often combines words to create specific meanings. You might hear over easy mostly in restaurants or kitchens. For instance, "I'd like my eggs over easy, please." It's also used metaphorically sometimes to describe a task that is simple and straightforward, akin to the ease of cooking an egg this way. There are several other ways to cook eggs, each with its unique term. Over medium and over hard are similar to over easy, but with the yolk more cooked. Then there's sunny side up, where the egg isn't flipped at all. Knowing these terms can enhance your English vocabulary and your breakfast choices. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, over-easy egg, and adds a bit of flavor to your English learning journey. Remember, language learning can be as fun and varied as cooking. There's always something new to discover. Happy learning and bon appétit!